Also because I'm a little worried that something's gonna explode / pop open. Any questions so far?
Okay. How long would that take?
So I've been told by real actual ceramics engineers that you do it for an hour.
Oh.
And I don't know if you guys really want to do it for an hour. So I would say do it until until you see the air stop coming out of your sample.
Can we do multiple samples at once?
Yes, I recommend.
Just don't want to
Could you leave it there and come back later?
Sure.
Or is that not safe?
I wouldn't recommend it.
Okay.
So try to have somebody in there. Maybe you can work in teams. Like somebody can watch it for 10 minutes, or bring work with you. Like bring something to read.
Okay.
Fire notes.
Yeah, bring fire notes, whatever. Nothing's happening yet, but as you can see, there's a pretty good seal.
That's worth it.
Yeah.
Yeah, that would have been bad, wouldn't it?
Yeah, that would have been pretty awful. And I actually have not ever done this, so I don't actually know how long it's going to take with this particular chamber. So hopefully you guys will be here too.
Can see what arrow you're talking about?
Oh, the arrows, yeah.
Arrows kind of have to match the shape of the setup,
Right.
sort of.
Exactly.
Okay.
And when it's done, don't try to pry the lid off of the chamber.
Tell us why.
Release the vacuum first by turning the valve and removing this cap, and the air will flow out here, and then you'll be very easily able. And if you're not easily able to pull the lid off the container, you have not released the vacuum. So do that first.
So you just need to turn the valve 90 degrees. Is that right?
It should be. I think so. You might even not even need to turn it at all since it's a three-way valve.
Okay.
You should release it slowly though, or it will tip over. That's happened to me. Oh really? Okay. You release it too fast and it just knocks everything over and you just Great.
Slow release on vacuum. Take note. YouTube watchers.
Yeah. Still not boiling. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. It's gonna take a long time. So be patient with it. And if it like never boils, like if you're in here for like 20 minutes and it hasn't even started boiling, because keep in mind you should let it boil for at least 10 or 15 minutes. If it hasn't even started boiling after like 20 minutes, something is wrong.
Should we weigh it before we do this also?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. You weigh it before you do it, and that gives you the open porosity. Well, the difference between the two measurements.
Gives you the open correction. Exactly.
What, so we weigh it before we do this, and we weigh it after it?
And then you weigh it underwater. See? Pretty easy. Smooth it out. Alright, take the entire bowl out. Place it underneath the balance, and eventually what I will have in here is a less ghetto setup for weighing this. Okay? But right now it's pretty junkyard engineered. So there should be a hook hanging from the bottom of the balance, which right now there's not.
Oh, missing in action.
Yep. And so you're gonna hang your less junkyard engineered version of this. It's gonna be a hook, and there's gonna be a tiny little sample holder that'll be on the end of the hook. Hang it from the bottom of the balance.